Dumoy is a barangay in Davao City. Dumoy is situated at approximately 7.0315 125.1529 in the island of Mindanao. Elevation at this coordinate is estimated at 13.7 meters or 44.9 feet above mean sea level. Dumoy shares as common border with the following barangays: Daliao Crossing, Bayabas, Toril Poblacion, Lubugan, Bago, Playa, and Balyok. Barangay Dumoy is famous for its abundant aquifers which produce a large amount of artesian water, and it also has the second cleanest water in the world. And aside from that, it also produces the sweetest tasting water in the country. However, it is also infamous for its flooding problems.